Guys, focus. This is Yashita's YouTube vlog.
Okay, welcome back to yet another week of meeting some star-studded celebrities and actually getting the opportunity to interview them. Keep watching.
It's just so difficult to ask questions and shoot at the same time. Mr. Arjun Rampal.
Okay, Arjun, so
You watch too or no?
I need to. Now. now. Okay. Rakul. Hey, Jackie. So, hey, hi, Yuvraj. Okay. Hi, Hazel. Hi, Tara.
So cool, I love this life, and I asked Arjun for advice on acting, and he actually told me that he's given this exact same advice to his daughter, and he said just meet the casting people, meet Mukesh, work under directors, work at a set, assist them, and that's the only way to go, because that is the stepping stone. And I think I love doing what I'm doing currently. Like, I'm actually enjoying interviewing people because now I've kind of gotten the hang of it. I can make celebrities Bombay, but I can make celebrities laugh, and I love that, because I was talking about him wearing robe.
Kind of the fabrics that I used, the cuts that
So some kind of fabric that you resonate yourself, like a robe that you throw yourself in a and he's like,
I don't wear robes.
I wasn't wearing robes, and it's just beautiful when someone of that stature laughs because of you. When I love doing this right now, I believe that I'm at the Asiatic Library for a work event. This is so special because we have every part of Bombay.
My picture with Aryan Khan has 50,000 views. What the hell? It's a post which has 859 likes, which is the most amount of likes I've received in the recent past.
The great. मेरा ऑन कैसे बजेगा?
अरे यार every year
I
know.
Ayushi.
And I'm Ayushi.
I'm Ishan. Also known.
मुझे लगा वो आता रेडियो में और आप सुन रहे हो कि Okay, bye.
I don't believe that December has begun. So a lot of other content going up live, the filter copy video, the Sonam Kapoor interview, and there's just so much I have to post on Instagram that YouTube has already seen first. If you're subscribed, I love that you have real-time access to my life, and I have to edit this video as well because there's a lot coming up, and I'm so tired because I have to work tomorrow, day after, and it's only Tuesday, and I have 2 events every day from tomorrow. We have a Ducati event and a Bobby Brown breakfast in the morning, and we have to take Rakul Preet and Jackie the day after. In the middle of those 2 days, I have a media table with Gia, and I have to go to Lalit for evening something with Twinnings, and I'm just like, there are so many things happening. There's a manifestation event, there's just too many things that your girl has to go to, and there's a lot of people coming in December, and just so many things to look forward to. My back hurts because my lower back is in pain constantly because my bed is not as comfortable as this one. My bed is actually custom made, but it is not my height. So although I'm 6 feet tall and the bed is 6 feet tall, I need more space when I sleep because the pillow goes into the khacha and then my neck is in knockout position. Hope I can get that fixed soon. And did you know that I got bangs? I don't know if I told my YouTube family that separately, but I got the stop recently yesterday at Palladium with mom. She asked me to get the stop, and it has this thing written, I shall catch you, because I have to go get ready and decide my outfit for Shahzan Khan's class, which begins in a bit. I really want to just take a nap, but have I ever relaxed on any given day in the week? No. And have I ever relaxed on the weekend? No. I couldn't sleep last night because I could feel heaviness on my hand because I'm talking absolute shit, but I think sometimes your YouTube also has to listen to the most random things, and I love these girls, and it's about time I go get ready. So bye. I'm telling you, my waist size has increased flamboyantly, and I need to post my articles. I need to do so much, but all I'm worried about right now, finish these unread messages on the way. I really hope my core is intact during dancing today. before December actually begins, I wanted to quickly show you a little snippet of what my time in Dubai for literally 12 hours looked like. And I enjoyed the airport and the mall and the shopping, and I'm sure you've seen that all over my Instagram. But it was so sweet that my dad came to pick me up and drop me, and I think moments like these are the best ones.
Back, like I was waiting for my cab and I met someone from Condé Nast and who has her own consultancy etc. now. So I just feel like things are meant to be and they happen at the right time. And I was waiting for the cab and probably just like bumped into the right person because we had a shift from gate 6 to 12 and things like that. And I always have to make a mandatory trip to myself. You know me, you know me. I love and I enjoy and I adore window shopping. I love that. We also finished 2 events today, both in different sides of Bandra, and now we can go home restfully with 20% battery, listening to songs, probably working out and just basically enjoying the ride back home and editing tomorrow. But I know I will edit the daily reel and put it up on Flow Mana now. So see you back in South Bombay.
That's my side of the business acumen. Sakshi is because she's been around for like 5 years now. She understands what.
Apart from writing about these restaurants, part of the job is actually to also go and try. So this was a newly opened restaurant, and then after I went for dance, worked on my modeling portfolio, and then worked on trials for the show the next day.
Stopping on the road, a VIP entrance, a view, and I just finished my interview with the designer. It's just also special with my bangs and my coral makeup. And
she climbed up the ranks. She had no formal training. And when you see her outfits today, the kind of integrity that the fabric has and her creation has.
Can you believe that every one of these silhouettes have been tested underwater and have been actually gone 30 meters deep under Andaman and came back exactly the way you see it right now? As a journalist, it is important to bring such stories to life, but the fact that I can't model for these brands does suck. But does every other model get to interview Arjun fucking Rampal? I actually didn't even have a media interaction scheduled with him that day, but I waited for my ride. I fought for like 3-4 hours, and after 5 hours of waiting in this incredibly gigantic, enormous location and looking at the other content creators getting their part and understanding how important numbers are, and we're trying to actively work towards it. Like every other event, there were stylists, people from the media, very few influencers, a select exclusive handful of the KOLs.
That I'm in Gucci, and, you know, and, yeah. So I like it more subtle and understated, but with quality. Made many, and I'd like to erase them right now. Don't remind me. This dress from the 1920s, like literally, okay? And I was like, she must be an extra from a movie. There's a shoot going on somewhere, and she's landed up here. And so I went and I had a chat with her.
Realize that everyone has your own thing. I don't need to be an influencer and earn money off that. I can be an actor and a model and earn money doing that the same exact way, like promoting brands, etc. I can be a journalist and talking on camera and making videos and getting views on that instead of me trying to kiss asses of like other PR agents and brands and things like that. And it's crazy because today I had not 1, not 2, but 3 events with 3 different PR agencies, 3 different brands, 3 different celebrities. It's been crazy, but I wouldn't have had it any other way, because if I'm dressed up once, might as well complete that. I'm going for a 4th event right now on my way, because the PR agency actually made me meet Karan Johar and Aryan Khan this year. So I don't feel, I feel bad skipping the Christmas party, so I do want to go and show my face. Also, Kulaba to Prabha Devi isn't that bad. I can meet Yuvraj Singh tomorrow in the evening with a fresh mind, and I'm so excited for that. And
I was so happy that my father actually accompanied, and then later called my mother for this event. CNBC took 20 minutes.
मेरा मत लीजिए।
बॉलर होते 6
बैट्समैन और 6
ऑलराउंडर भी हो सकते हैं वो, और 6 बैट्समैन तो होते हैं।
It is that very day where I realized that some questions were really boring by the other journalists and they were completely ChatGPT'd, and I think that is my superpower, where I know I have at least now started to understand what questions to ask, and you shall see that in my articles henceforth, so cannot wait for you to read them.
Lux?
Lux book.
Lux book.
Yes.
Hello, Lux book. I cannot talk about that as well.
हाँ दो ना
भाई यू के बाद में भी
अरे दो ना यार
स्पेलिंग बोल दो ना.
And I know I'm too tall for any other co-actor ever, so I can be living a movie in my own life and doing all the main character stuff. But I just love. See, this was another event that I had come to, which was so shit. क्या हुआ? अरे. But I'll catch you soon because I have to say battery for both the events, and I have my other phone where I am recording content, and I'm very happy because. Shut up.
My God, so cute.
Goodbye.